Like we said previously, Euro JPY is still uptrend movement. So market Euro JPY is still very much bullish. So this is one of these why I think that this is the best time to actually go in for the buy. I mean, take a look at this low right here. Right, market has given us a pullback. Right, market has given us a pullback right here. So we should expect market to react from this level, thereby pushing up. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our Euro JPY. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share. And also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on those updates. Now let's start with our trend on Euro JPY. You can see that we are in a raging market move. So this is the level right here markets rejected from, which is our resistance, and this is the bottom here is our support level. So markets once rallied up to tap our resistance, then it rejected and came back to tap our support. Market bounced up, right? Bounced up direction, then it came back to retest our support level. Market then bounced up again, then it came back again to retest our support level. Now this is a move because it has not given us that bullish move. And so we should expect that bullish move to continue to push up till it is able to tap our resistance level. So that is what we should be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So now let's take a look at this movement right here, guys. This is the movement that market did give us. Here comes the pullback, right? Market pushed up one more time, then it came back again to retest this level. Now with this such a movement, right, you should expect market to reject and then push up again. So guys, bullish move from here. Let's see it. If you can go for the buy and put your buy position till it is able to tap this level, that would be about 60 pips. So you should be grabbing between 55 to 60 pips if you can go in for the buy and hold your buy position till market is able to tap this resistance level on Euro JPY.